At this point, everybody is big.
It's the 25th of December. Today is a Tuesday. It's a beautiful, sunny Tuesday morning. I have been up here for months. This year has been quite long and hectic year, but the grace of God has definitely always been sufficient, and so here I am. Today I am going to be meeting up with my girls. We haven't met in 7 years. 7 years, guys. People of YouTube, I don't know if there are people out here like me who do this long distance friendships as well. So it's about 9:30 right now, and I am just about to go and get ready for our outfit. So if you guys are seeing this, Lizzie, Jennifer, Daniela, I love you girls, and I hope we do have a fantastic day today. So let's go get ready. Bye.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you've forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me.
Why did you guys come together? We are in the lights in the darkness, so it's looking like that's at this point, everybody is big. Oh my God!
Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit, the damage you've done. Stop it, cry an ocean for we. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Change. So you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean.
Abigail. Ella.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me.